Welcome to Exactix, the online alternative to calling 811. If you are digging at a single residential address, this tutorial walks you through the process of registering for an account. Visit my.sunshine811.com and click Create Tickets. You'll be redirected to a login page. Click the link Sign Up next to No Account. On the new user registration page, follow the steps to create a login. Register using an email that you regularly check. This is how the utilities in Sunshine 811 will communicate with you about the marking status. If you already set up your email address in Corsettra, you can use that address to make logins easier. Remember, this email address is for you only. You should not share it with anyone. Enter your email address and confirm that email address. Next, there is a checkbox to use your email address as your username. If you prefer to choose a different username, uncheck the box and enter desired username. Next, enter your first and last name. Then read the password requirements to create and confirm your password. Select Submit when you've completed the above steps. Now it is time to confirm your login by entering a special code. Visit the email you used to register for the account and look for an email from mal@4iqidentity.com. Copy the code or write it down. This code is good for 24 hours. Now go back to the Exactix page. Your username is already filled in. Enter the code and click Confirm. On step 1, you are asked to enter more information about you. Use the drop-down box to choose Sunshine 811 as the center you are signing up for. This information will help simplify the process when requesting a new locate ticket. Your name and email address will already be filled in. Add the phone number and click Next. On step 2, choose the option for Excavator. On step 3, you'll be asked how you would like to find your company within Exactix. You can choose one of the following 3 choices: company ID, previous ticket number and phone number associated with a ticket, or my company has never created a ticket. If your company has never created a ticket, you'll be required to enter your company's information. First, enter your company name, then the company type by clicking the drop-down menu and choosing either contractor or member. Complete the company's address, city, state, zip, and county. If you selected previous ticket, enter the ticket number and the phone number associated with the ticket. If you select company ID, enter your company ID and select your company name. When you're done, click Next. On step 5, verify your information is correct. If it is not, click Back. If it is, click Submit and you will be directed to the Exactix homepage. On the Exactix homepage, click Go to Ticket Dashboard. Click on the New button in the top right-hand corner to start the locate ticket. To learn how to complete the locate ticket, watch our Submit Locate Ticket tutorial. If you need additional help, please visit my.sunshine811.com and click Technical Support. You can also contact one of our ITE support representatives by calling 811 and selecting option 7 from the menu.